Thanks very much for that. So yes, maybe cues from the financials is what we look out for in the second half. As of now, we have the Bank Nifty, which is down around 1% and the Nifty PSU Bank Index, which has been a rank outperformer last year, is seeing pressure today. So down around 2.6% currently for the PSU banking space as well. Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins in on the show to discuss his technicals. Sacchitanand, hi, welcome to the show. Well, let's start with the entire financial space. You know, we've been discussing that a lot of stocks are on the decline, especially even from the PSU space. What would you strategize and what are your recommendations this afternoon?
Good afternoon. I think the pressure continues on the Bank Nifty, and if you look at the sequence, in the way its constituents have been performing, we saw ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank leading from the fund, and today I think the major contribution has been from SBI. So even last week we were discussing about the hurdle at around 620 on SBI and how that particular hurdle may act as a resistance. And post that, we have seen a fresh breakdown in this particular counter, which has led to the fall in Bank Nifty as well. So the setup continues to be a good sell-on rise. We are still not seeing any, data flow wherein it is recommending a change in stance. So as of now, if you look at the way Nifty Bank has been performing, especially on the indicator front, we have a confirmation from the ADX, which has given a breakout about 26. Now this is a good indication of a directional momentum play. So far we have not seen any signs of cool off, and probably we may see Nifty Bank drifting towards its 20-week exponential moving average, which is placed around 41,300. So we continue to deploy shorts. So we are recommending fresh short positions even at this juncture. The stop loss should be placed at around 42,560 on a closing basis from here on. Now, this is a significant level if you look at the way its 5-week exponential moving average is placed. So unless we don't see a closing above this, we are expecting that this particular underperformance in Nifty Bank should continue. So clearly, it's a sell-on rise market. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, the stop loss should be placed at 42,560. And a positional trade or a target is placed somewhere close to 41,300.
Sacchitanand, quickly, can you tell us what are your stock recommendations in that case?
Well, Sonal, I think SBI is a preferred short candidate. We have already seen a good strong OI addition of 3%, a bearish crossover on its short-term averages, and the 600 support has already been breached. So still we expect this particular momentum to continue towards 575 on a positional basis. The stop loss should be placed at 605. And the second counter which has been on a radar is Maruti. Despite of the move in autos, this particular stock has been underperforming. There's a clear-cut resistance near its 200-day exponential moving average, which is placed at around 85.30. So unless we don't see a closing above that, we may not see the change in trend. So expect Maruti to drift towards 81.80. The stop loss should be placed at 8440.
All right, Sachi, thanks a lot for joining in and giving us your views on the individual stocks as well as the index itself. Before we step into a short break, just pull up Lotus Chocolate. The reason why we discussed this is because just towards the end of the previous year, which was on the 30th of December, Reliance announced an investment in Lotus Chocolate, and ever since the stock has only hit upper circuits. In fact, in the few sessions that we've had in January itself, the stock is up around 41%. So just watch out for that one. 172 on the stock. The open offer that Reliance had made for additional 26% of the company was close to around 117 odd rupees. So that is Lotus Chocolate up to around 172. Most of the gains coming by in just the last few days. Consistent upper circuits is what the company has been hitting. Take a short break, come back. On the other side, we put focus on stocks that are buzzing in trade on the back of news updates and brokerage notes.